Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Google Sheet and setting the locale and time zone so dates and numbers behave predictably. Next, import or paste your raw data into cell A1, making sure headers are in the first row. Once done, freeze row 1 and adjust column widths so your layout stays stable while you work. Make sure to name the file immediately. It saves automatically, but a clear name prevents confusion when sharing or using version history. You now clean and structure the sheet, split columns, trim spaces, and create named ranges for repeat use. Then apply number, date, and currency formats so values behave correctly in calculations. Build formulas progressively, start with equals sum and equals average, then layer conditional logic with equals if, and perform lookups with equals VLOOKUP or index/match. Once formulas work, convert to arrays or use array formula to scale. Use conditional formatting to highlight outliers and data validation. You finish by sharing and protecting your work. Set editor or commenter rights, restrict downloads when necessary, and add editors in protected ranges. Next, automate repetitive tasks with macros or app script and schedule triggers for imports or reports. If something breaks, stop and inspect errors. #ref often means deleted ranges, hash value, signals wrong types, and permissions can block formula-driven imports. Finally, use version history to restore prior states and communicate changes to collaborators so everyone stays aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.